In this short video, we are going to show you how to download and install IDA Pro.
Let's begin. Go to Hex-Rays.com and click on Products. From the submenu, select IDA Pro. Make sure you read carefully all the information. Including the minimum system requirements. Go back to the top of the page and click on the button called Buy a License. It will then take you to a page where you need to enter your credentials. If you don't have such yet, click on Create Account. Now, you have to fill in your details. Don't forget to click on the checkbox at the end. When you're ready, click on Create Account and you should receive an email with an activation link. If it takes too long, check in your junk or spam folder. Click on the link in the email and then click the Activate My Account button. Congratulations, your account is active and you can continue shopping for the IDA Pro license and select the decompiler. Pick a license type and operating system. In our case, we've chosen a computer license and a Windows operating system. Enter the number of seats you want to buy and the decompilers that would match your needs. When ready, enter your company name and the email where you'll receive your license keys and important future communication. Once ready, click on Calculate Price and you'll get a quote for the selected product. The next step is to press Make Payment and follow the payment instructions. We will not get too granular with the payment process, so we will move further for now. Let's assume that everything has been swift and sound. You should have received an email with the product details, license key and a download link. Go ahead and click on the download link. It takes you to the download page where you can get your IDA installation file. Once downloaded, open the IDA Pro executable file. It will open an installation wizard. Just follow the steps. Accept the license agreement and select the installation directory. It is recommended to keep the default suggestion and place it in your program files. Please continue with the following steps, and when you're asked about the password, go back to your email and get it from there. IDA will offer you to install Python 3. If you already have it, then uncheck the box and move forward. Wait till the installation completes. It shouldn't take long. And when done, just press Finish. Your IDA Pro is now installed. If everything has been done correctly, you should see this window. Click OK, accept the license agreement and enjoy working with IDA. We hope that you enjoyed this video. Show us how we did it below and don't forget to keep following our channel for more helpful content.